staggering number of 884 million people in the developing countries walk an average of 6 kilometers every day just to collect water for basic needs. 2.6 billion people don't have access to safe toilets. 4,000 children die every day due to lack of safe drinking water.
पानी दे दो।
पानी तो बेटा है नहीं, कहीं बाहर से ले आना पड़ेगा।
माँ प्यास लग रही है, दे दो।
है ही ना बेटा पानी किसी चीज में, कहाँ से ले जाएंगे बाहर जब जाएंगे।
Lack of water and sanitation traps people in a vicious circle of diseases, lost life chances, and poverty. Worst affected are the women and children, who suffer loss of dignity, safety, health, and development opportunities in their daily search for water. In urban areas, people have no choice but to collect water from polluted waterways or pay high prices to buy it from illegal water vendors who obtain it from rural areas on the periphery of the city. The average weight of water carried is 20 kilograms. Carrying the heavy water container back home is an exhausting task, taking up valuable time and energy.
मेरा नाम महेश है, रामस्वरूप का लड़का हूँ और जन्म से यहीं रहता हूँ। और पानी पहले यहीं से पीते थे, इसमें बरसात का पानी भर जाता था तो इस खानों में से पीते थे। तो पहले तो पाप तो बारिश बहुत ही हुई तो नीचे पहुँच जाता बहुत।
On World Water Day 2011, over 35 lakh people across the globe walked together for 6 kilometers to demand an end to this crisis. On March 19th, as a part of the World Walks for Water, Delhi's single most strongest symbol of power and the road to governing the largest democracy in the world, India Gate and Rajpath, became the ultimate symbol for unity for water. Brought together by force, 1,900 people and reputed civil society organizations walked to feel for themselves the plight of the deprived and demand strong government action for water security. Together, under the leadership of Sri Salman Khurshid, Honorable Minister of Water Resources, the Walkers for Water took a pledge to be the change they wanted to see. They pledged that they would set an example for global leaders to follow. Within the next 5 years, they would make Delhi completely water secure.
अपनी गतिविधियों द्वारा दिल्ली शहर को जल रक्षित बनाऊंगा.
Walk for Water was the start of what is called the Blue Delhi Declaration. After the Walk for Water, we all took the Blue Delhi Declaration, in which what we are trying to do is that in 5 years' time we will try and make Delhi completely water secure. For this, what we will be doing is that we will be making 5 task forces, and each task force will look into one aspect of water management within the city. Well, the first task force will be on for the revival of the river Yamuna. This one will focus on making sure that the Yamuna's current level of dirtiness is kind of removed. There are no new contaminants which enter the Yamuna, and the Yamuna action plan is made a success in partnership with the people of Delhi. The second task force will be focused on water bodies. Just like this water body here, it's called the Neela Hauz, which the citizens of this area revived. The water that you see here, till a few months back you would not have seen any water at all. you would have seen only the kind of mud that I am standing on right now. So it's the people of this area who made sure that the mud was taken out. So similarly, there are another 628 such water bodies in Delhi, and what the second task force will do is that it will create a partnership between the government and the local communities to make sure that each water body is revived and is filled with fresh, pure, clean rainwater. So that will be the second task force. The third task force will focus on the groundwater of Delhi. Even today, despite the fact that Delhi is the capital of the country, even now the dependence on groundwater is almost about 42%. And every year the water level is going down by 1 meters. So what this task force will do is that it will try and make sure that everywhere rainwater harvesting happens and groundwater recharge happens, so that the water table goes on increasing year after year. So that will be the third task force. The fourth task force will focus on creating awareness on water issues. So school children, senior citizens, ladies clubs, all groups of Delhi will kind of get together, and what they will do is to spread awareness about water conservation, about legal issues related to water, so that everybody tries to protect water to whatever extent he can. The fifth task force will focus on reducing water wastages. All the other 4 task forces are talking about improving the quantity of water available within the city. But the fifth one will focus on reducing the consumption per person in the city. So reducing wastages, adopting new technologies by which we use less water in our kitchens and in our bathrooms. That will be the focus of the fifth task force. So as you know, so this Blue Delhi Declaration will bring together people from NGOs, from civil society groups, from welfare associations, from schools, colleges and the government to work together towards creating a water secure city. We hope that Delhi will be the first city of its kind in India, and it will become the benchmark that other cities in the country will follow.